Are you an individual looking for quality tutorial videos that will help you learn some application software like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, CorelDRAW, and the likes? Are you a student looking for tutorial videos that will help you succeed in your West African Senior Secondary Certificate Examination and NECO examination? Are you a parent looking for tutorial videos to help your children scale through WAEC and NECO successfully without cheating? Are you a teacher looking for tutorial videos to teach your students? Then welcome to Lanret Academy channel. On this channel, we share solutions to examination questions and tutorial videos for those who want to learn computer software. What are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and notification bell now to enable you see whenever we release a new tutorial video. Subscribe and view our videos now.